Hi, welcome to TK Design. Today I will share with you how to modeling 3D model using Blender. If you are a beginner and don't know how to modeling, this video is for you. Just watch at the end, you will know how to modeling anything by using Blender 3D. Blender is a free software is used by large studio over the world. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download at the link in the video description. Let's get started. Now, we have the object mode that used to see or adding object, and the edit mode to edit the object. Let's delete the cube and using Shift+A to add a plane, and rotate it 90 degrees around the x-axis by using R, X and 90. You can scale it by using S and drag the mouse to change the size. Now I'm pressing M and choose at center to merge all vertex into one. Now I'm adding one more point to and connect it together, and we have one edge. And one more point to create a surface. Next, I will show you some useful tools in the modeling progress. The first tool is knife by pressing K, this used to cut the face. The next is extrude tool by pressing E key. You will create a new vertex. The next is fill tool by using F. That will create a face from the choosing vertex. If you choose two vertex, it will create an edge. You can using G to move the vertex. Let press Shift to use the loop cut, a yellow line will appear. This tool is used to cut all the connected faces into half in horizontal or vertical direction. You can sliding the cut by using double G. And increase the loop cuts in the number of cuts section. Now let apply what we have learned. First, let's create a loop cut. Then slide it. Let increase the number of cuts. You can use subdivide to adding more vertex. That create a middle vertex here. Let choose the face. Press E to extrude it. And S to scale. G to move. Once you get used to it, you can start to modeling a simple model. Now let's start modeling a lamp. Using Shift-A to add the sphere. Let's reduce the rings and segment to 8. That will help the modeling process become easier. Shading smooth it. We press S and Z to scale it on the Z direction. And scale on X direction by pressing S and X. We enable X-ray here. The X-ray will help we choose vertex on both sides, in front and behind. Let's choose these vertex and press V to split them. Using double G to slide it on the edge. Let's using Shift K to add a loops cut. And now we move it up by pressing G and Z. Scale it down with S. Add more loop cut here. And scale. Now let's make the faucet. We select this vertex and slide it by double G. I will use a knife to cut the faces. Before to cut, we need to disable the X-ray, because it allows the knife to cut on the behind face. And we don't want that. Okay, let's cut the face. I will adding subdivide surface. Subdivide surface will smooth and adding more vertex to the mesh. Now let's select these faces and extrude it with E. I extrude it along the Y-axis, then Z, using R to rotate it around the X-axis. Let's add a loop cut here, using G and Z to move it down a little bit. Let's enable the X-ray to choose both sides. Let's scale it up. Let's delete these faces to make the hole. I choose this vertex and delete it. Now we have a hole. Let's choose these vertex again. Rotate it around X. Then using S, Z and 0 to make all the chosen vertex equal on the Z direction. Let's make the handle. I use the knife to cut two areas. And one more here. Let's choose all these faces and extrude them with E. Continue extruded along the Y-axis. Rotate it. I will modify it a bit. Now let's extrude below area. Let's delete the face and the face above. Now let's choose this ring and this ring. Then choose Bridge Edge Loop. It auto-connected two rings together. Now let's modify it a bit. Let's choose these vertex and extrude it down to make the base. Let's flat all these vertex by using S, Z and 0. And scale the ring up with S. Let's add the loop cuts here with Shift R. Let's extrude the lid rim down. Scale it up a bit to make the lid look tighter. Let's choose the ring of the orifice. Extrude it up and shrink it. That looked better. Now let's adding details for the lamp body. I continue using the knife tool and cut a diamond shape on these faces. Next, choose all these faces. Extrude it on the X direction. Because of the subdivide surface that auto-smooth the faces. So to make the diamond shape, we need to choose all the boundaries edges. And press Shift E to make sharp. That's still not the shape we want. Let's choose more boundaries edge. Then press Shift E again to make sharp. Okay, that look a lot better. Let's make sharp for the inside part. Then press Shift E. Okay, now we have diamond shape. But you notice there are a shading problem. That caused by the diamond shape. To solve it, you need to go the geometry. Then choose normal. Enable auto smooth. It solved almost the problem. You can try different angles to find the optimal result. The mesh looks worse with 60 degrees. Let's change to 45 degrees. This look good. Now we have a lamp model. In the next part, I will guide you how to adding the color and texture to the object to make a completely lamp. Thank for your watching. If you find it useful, let's like and subscribe for more video.